Our weather forecast still pretty soft in with this cloud cover, hoping for a little bit of sunshine later on this afternoon. It will be breezy today as well. Highs will range from the mid to upper 50s along the coast to the upper 50s to low 60s elsewhere. Tomorrow through Sunday, we'll see a change in the weather forecast. Sunnier, drier, and by midweek, temperatures will be in the upper 60s tomorrow, moving into the 70s by Thursday and Friday. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. And then this is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Style pizzas, they make fresh pasta, and they're spicy bucatini. Have you tried it? One of my all-time favorites. Don't forget about Tony's other locations like Capos, where he makes delicious tavern-style freshly cooked and deep dish. Features one of the specialties is the Chicago Italian beef sandwiches. Those things are gigantic.
Emergency alert system.
Things that might be important to you. The system has additional.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
With Von Miller's former Rams teammate Reggie Scholl mixed in AJ Epinesa, you wound up resigning yesterday and he moved on from Leonard Floyd. But just what was his role on the Bills defense last year, sir?
I mean, he really was their main pass rusher all season. Let's remember that Von Miller was coming off the 28th game, so the Bills really weren't sure about what he would have to do when he was playing. And being late in free agency, were able to get Leonard Floyd. This was just the totality of emergency alert system. It was the best free agent signing the Bills had. I mean, he came in and he really hit double-digit sacks first time anybody did that. The Bills under Sean McDermott, actually, and Brandon Beane. Nobody had double-digit sacks. That's how much of an impact he made right away. If you guys remember, the very first weekend of the year, he's the one that sacked and unfortunately caused, and not caused, but, I mean, he was on the play that Aaron Rodgers tore his Achilles. It was Leonard Floyd who sacked him on the fourth play of the game. I mean, his presence right away in the first field game was pretty remarkable against the Jets, and we knew that he was going to have an impact. But they don't like to rotate the defensive end. They like to rotate the defensive line. So it's not like he's out there every play. He had a really big impact on this Buffalo Bills roster. And I know Bills fans gets older. What kind of player are they getting now? You know, I think he's a better and better against the run that people give him credit for. It's not really what you're going to ask him to do. And I would guess in San Francisco, they wouldn't ask him to do that whole time. You know, they have some guys there. He's going to come off the edge of the speed pass rusher, but he's long. That's one of his best traits, just how long. You stand next to him, I mean, like his arms. There's one play in particular, the get off is there. You know, obviously the arms are exceedingly long, which leads to a play he had against Jalen Hurts in Philadelphia in that overtime loss, where they rushed Jalen similar to how the Niners did the next week, Sale, where they much rushed and collapsed the pocket. So, you know, he just couldn't take the edge or jump inside and give him an out. He kept him in, but he also had to stay home on the RPO game and read it in Kansas City, which is wild. But you're going to have to also get the Patrick Mahomes. And boy, I thought San Francisco did such a good job in that first half. As you guys know, getting the Patrick Mahomes. The Bills could not do that. I mean, you guys, the San Francisco, the 49ers, they brought him down, they sacked him. We're watching in Buffalo going, boy, where was this with the Bills a week ago? Because if the Bills do that, they have a chance to win. But what happened? They let him hang in the game, right? And that Niners did. And after a while, you know, if they don't make mistakes, he might not have. And the Bills could not have a $16 million salary cap hit not only A, with those two guys in front of him, B, not knowing what that injury would entail going forward.
Sound great stuff, man. Thanks for the insight on Leonard Floyd. Thanks for talking ball with us. We appreciate it. We'll do it again soon.
All right, you got it, guys. Thanks a lot. We'll get together, Greg, when you come here. Next fall, whenever that is.
Tell John I say hi. I'm pulling for him, brother. Thank you, Sal.
I will, buddy.
Great stuff. Shaka Ponte giving us some insight into Leonard Floyd, of course, who the 49ers signed yesterday. During that short conversation, Patrick Queen to the Steelers, linebacker from the Ravens. DJ Dallas, of course, we know from the Seahawks, stays in the division, goes to the Cardinals. Amik Robinson, corner from the Raiders, goes to the Lions. And Drew Lock.